Have you ever felt like your relationships are a roller coaster? One moment you're deeply connected, and the next, pulling away? Or maybe you've noticed patterns of intense closeness followed by emotional distance in your friendships or family ties. What if I told you that these behaviors might trace back to something called disorganized attachment? Today, we're diving deep into the impact of disorganized attachment on friendships and family dynamics. Whether you're trying to understand someone close to you or reflecting on your own patterns, this video will uncover insights that could transform how you view relationships. So, stick around. It's going to be eye-opening. What is disorganized attachment? Disorganized attachment is one of the 4 primary attachment styles identified in psychology, often resulting from early experiences of inconsistent caregiving. Unlike secure attachment, where a child learns to trust and rely on their caregiver, individuals with disorganized attachment may grow up experiencing both comfort and fear from the same source. This creates internal conflict, a desire for closeness coupled with a fear of intimacy. In adulthood, this attachment style can manifest in unpredictable behaviors and emotions, particularly in close relationships. A person might crave connection but push others away due to a deep-seated fear of rejection or betrayal. How disorganized attachment affects friendships. Friendships are often built on trust, mutual support, and open communication. However, disorganized attachment can disrupt these foundations. 1. Trust issues. Individuals with disorganized attachment may find it challenging to trust friends fully. They might constantly question a friend's loyalty or misinterpret innocent actions as betrayals. This can lead to misunderstandings, unnecessary conflicts, and even the breakdown of relationships. 2. Emotional inconsistency. One day, they might be overly dependent on a friend, seeking constant reassurance. The next, they could pull away, fearing they are too much or that their friend will abandon them. This inconsistency can confuse friends, making it hard to maintain a stable relationship. 3. Fear of vulnerability. Opening up is difficult for someone with disorganized attachment. They might avoid deep conversations or mask their true feelings, fearing judgment or rejection. As a result, their friendships might lack emotional depth, leading to feelings of isolation. 4. Conflict cycles. Disorganized attachment can lead to cycles of closeness and withdrawal. A friend might feel like they're always walking on eggshells, unsure of how to navigate the relationship. Over time, this pattern can create distance or even end the friendship. Impact on family dynamics. Family relationships are complex, and disorganized attachment can add additional layers of difficulty. 1. Parent-child relationships. If a parent has a disorganized attachment style, their children may experience the same confusion and inconsistency they did. This creates a cycle where insecurity is passed from one generation to the next. Children may grow up feeling unsure of their parents' love or support, mirroring the same fears in their own adult relationships. 2. Sibling bonds. Sibling relationships might also suffer. An individual with disorganized attachment could struggle with jealousy, competition, or feelings of inadequacy compared to their siblings. They might either overcompensate by being overly protective or become distant to avoid emotional vulnerability. 3. Extended family conflicts. Disorganized attachment can make family gatherings stressful. Someone might overanalyze comments, perceive harmless remarks as criticism, or withdraw completely to avoid feeling overwhelmed. This can lead to strained interactions and unresolved tensions within the family unit. Breaking the cycle, healing and growth. While disorganized attachment can create challenges, it's important to remember that healing is possible. 1. Therapy and self-awareness. Understanding your attachment style through therapy can be the first step. Techniques like cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, or emotionally focused therapy, EFT, can help individuals identify triggers and develop healthier patterns of connection. 2. Building secure relationships. Developing a secure relationship, whether with a therapist, partner, or trusted friend, can serve as a healing model. Consistent, supportive interactions help rewire the brain's approach to attachment. 3. Setting boundaries. Learning to set and respect boundaries can reduce the emotional roller coaster often associated with disorganized attachment. Boundaries provide clarity and a sense of safety in relationships. 4. Practicing vulnerability. While it can be scary, opening up to trusted individuals in small, manageable steps can strengthen emotional bonds and create deeper connections. Disorganized attachment may feel like a shadow that follows you into every relationship, but it doesn't have to define your future. By understanding its impact and taking steps toward healing, you can create friendships and family dynamics that feel safe, supportive, and fulfilling. If this video resonated with you, or if you've experienced these patterns in your relationships, share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into relationships and mental health. Remember, growth starts with awareness, and you're already on the right path. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.